All right, if you are getting older, your knees are giving out, and you really enjoy gardening, this is gonna be your new best friend. So as I've gotten older, my knees just aren't working the way they used to. This is a garden kneeling stool from the brand VEVOR. This thing has made gardening so much more fun for me. So this thing is super easy. You can use it as an actual stool. So if you want to sit here, take a little break, do some stuff, you can see my beautiful cosmos growing here. But the best part is that you just flip it upside down. It's got handlebars, so I can easily put myself down, and then when it's time for me to get up, I have a little bit of stabilization there. And even if my knees weren't giving out, I don't want my bare knees on the ground because I have rocks and pebbles and things like that. So it has this really nice cushion. Let me get a little closer here. Really nice cushioning on both sides. Sit it down here. I can do my weed pulling, you know, clipping, pruning my plants, whatever I need to do. So highly, highly recommend this. This has just changed everything for me. Like I said, my knees are just, they ain't working like they used to. So if you're having those same struggles, but you really want to still do your gardening, I would definitely give this one a shot.